Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm from Blackstone Solicitors, and today we're talking about something that affects almost everyone who owns a home. What happens to the family home when you pass away? For most people, the house is their single biggest asset. But surprisingly, many people don't actually know what will happen to it after they're gone. And getting it wrong can cause stress, conflict, and even financial problems for the people you care about most. Let's start with ownership. If you own your home as joint tenants with your partner, the law says it automatically passes to the surviving owner. That can be a relief, because it avoids probate and keeps things simple. But it can also be tricky if you intended for children from a previous relationship to inherit a share. The law doesn't care about your intentions, it just passes ownership straight away. On the other hand, if you own as tenants in common, each of you owns a defined share. When someone dies, their share forms part of their estate and is distributed according to their will, or the intestacy rules if there isn't a will. This gives more flexibility, but it can also lead to disputes. We recently helped a client whose partner died owning the house as a tenant in common. The children from a previous marriage inherited half the property. The surviving partner had to negotiate a legal agreement to stay in the home. It was stressful and could have been avoided with proper planning. Then there's the question of what happens if the home is in just one person's name and the surviving partner isn't married or in a civil partnership. In that situation, intestacy rules offer no protection, even if you've lived together for decades. The surviving partner could be left with nothing while other relatives inherit. That's a situation we see far too often, and it's honestly heartbreaking. And let's not forget the practical side. Even when the home passes smoothly, there may be inheritance tax to consider. Planning ahead can reduce the burden on your family and make sure your wishes are carried out. The takeaway is clear. Knowing who owns the house, what type of ownership it is, and having an up-to-date will can make all the difference. It can prevent conflict, protect loved ones, and ensure your home goes to the people you want. If you're unsure about your situation or you want to make sure your family is protected, the team at Blackstone Solicitors can guide you through the options and make sure everything is set up correctly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time with more advice on protecting your family and your assets.